Hey, here at the duck pond. Ducks. And not one weird guy with his dog, but ducks are cooler. I'm supposed to be at school right now. Just couldn't find the energy to go. I'll go in a few. It's like only like one or something. 2 maybe. Doubt it's 3. If it's 3, I'll just go home. Hey, what the fuck? I see somebody over there. And a dog. Anywho, back to the ducks. So elegant and free. Wish I could be a duck. Hey, he's free. Oh shit, there's lots of them. Some leaving, some going out. Anyway, I gotta go. I'm just... fuck, school, I guess.